Hello, I'm super excited bringing this review to you, and it's a review of the lazy affiliate method, and it's brought to you by Ezinwa. Now let's proceed to the sales page of lazy affiliate market so we can do this review together. Follow me as we tag along as we proceed. The lazy affiliate method is 100% done for you affiliate marketing system. It helps you to bank passive commission on complete autopilot within only 30 minutes per day. Now, when you come online to make money, there are things you need to set up before you start making money online. The first one is that you need a product. You need the pages to where you drive traffic to, and of course you need a traffic. Now, what this product does for you is that it takes away almost all the processes from you, and it's a completely like done for you system. It's 100% done for you system. Like it comes with a sales page, the products, and the traffic for you to market. All you need to do is just set them up and you start earning commissions. Now let's proceed down to what you get with this lazy affiliate method. Now, in this affiliate market, you get 100% done for you, proven to work affiliate funnel. It's an easy point and click upload. Now, the pages has already been built. All you need to do is just to edit, then you upload. It includes everything you need: the squeeze pages where you drive your traffic to, the lead magnets, what you offer to your traffic, the thank you pages, and it also contains professionally written promotion emails. All you need to do is just plug in the emails, set up everything, push traffic to it, and you start earning. It's 100% newbie friendly. That means even if you are starting today, you can profit from this system. Now, one question you ask yourself: does this really work? Are there people who have done this and they have made sales or have made commissions with it? Yes, as you can see from the pages here, this is Ed Kewin. He got 13 new subscribers and he made a sale after just 2 days. Then this another Julia Patterson has also made a sale. Now, if these people can make a sale, you also can make a sale. Now, who is the author of this product? The author of this product is Kevin Faye. And let's go and look into who Kevin Faye is. Now, if we go to this page, here is Kevin Faye, the author of the lazy affiliate method. Let's go through him and look at what he has to offer. Now, here is Kevin Faye. This is his page on Warrior Plus, and you can see the products. He has a long list of products. These are his products, and from it you can see that he actually knows his onion. Now look at what he has to do. His products, these are his products, and he has been consistent with them. He has 13 products on Warrior Plus. So somebody who has 13 products should tell you that he has been consistent and he knows what he's doing. Now let's go back to the page, the lazy affiliate market page. Now, as you have seen that Kevin Faye knows what he's doing, so when he gives you the unique funnel strategy, the high converting capture page, the irresistible lead magnet, and the affiliate offer which you hand to your traffic, the follow-up sequence, the emails, everything has been done for you. All you need to do is just plug in and start earning commission. Just what the lazy affiliate market method offers you, and you can see it is all over the page. It's a unique affiliate funnel strategy, comes with a done for you high converting squeeze page. Simply upload and capture hot lead that you can market to over and over again. Everything is professionally built. A professionally built thank you page, a 14 killer follow-up sequence, and a high converting offer. It doesn't get as easy as this. Now all you need to do is get this product, plug everything in, and you start making commission. Now let's say you are skeptical about getting this product, like will it work or will it not work. You have seen the results of people who have done it, you have seen their testimonials and why they have gotten it and it worked for them. Now all you need to do is just get ready, get this product, click here to get started, get this product. Now when you get this product, you're also getting these $250 worth of bonuses. What are the bonuses? You get access to his internet marketing emails, which include every email marketing he has written, every email marketing the author has written. Then you get access to it. You also get access to one of his bonus selling product, Genesis. You get all of them included with the product. So jump in. Now if you are asking yourself, will it work or will it not work, you have no reason not to try. Just give it a try. There's a no risk 14 days money back guarantee. Just buy the product, try it, and if it doesn't work, just get back to him and he will offer you 100% money back guarantee, no questions asked. So you have nothing to lose. So all you need to do is just get into them, make the buying decision today, and get started using the Lazy Affiliate Market so you can make this commission. Now the product launches at almost $13. Yes, $13. But when you drag your feet, the price goes to $27. It increases to $27. Yes. So all you need to do is just log in immediately. The price will increase to $27 midnight of 12th September 2019. So don't delay. Just get immediately you watch this video. Just go to the description below this YouTube video. You will find a link to buy the product. Just buy the product, start uploading the files, start doing anything, start uploading the files, set up everything, drive traffic to it, and then watch your commissions come in. So that's it all. Thank you for watching this Thank you for watching this video review of the Lazy Affiliate Marketing method, and I believe that you buy the product, upload everything, set it up, and you start making commissions with it. Just go to the description of this video below and you find the link to get started, to click on it and buy it right away and start earning huge affiliate commission. Thank you.